Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share 15 home remedies all parents should know. As soon as your baby is born, you want to take care of your precious bundle of joy. However, from ear infections to diaper rash, you might not always be sure what to do. Before you run out to the drugstore and buy a bunch of over-the-counter medicines, check your kitchen. Numerous home remedies for parents are safe and healthy for everyday ailments. 1. Frozen banana for teething. Teething babies are fussy, and for a good reason. The process of getting teeth is painful. Put a banana in the freezer, and after some time, take it out and let your baby gnaw on the sweet goodness. Not only does it soothe your baby's gums, but it's a healthy snack too. 2. Baking soda for diaper rash. Although diaper rash can be brought on from teething, babies tend to suffer from diaper rash for other reasons too. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda into 4 cups of water, and whenever you change a diaper, wash your baby's bottom in the mixture. Make sure you dry the skin with a cloth before putting on a fresh diaper. You can also add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a warm bath for skin relief. Let your baby soak for about 10 minutes, and do this 3 times a day until the diaper rash subsides. 3. Salt for an ear infection. Ear infections are common among small children. Luckily, you can provide relief to your child right at home. All you have to do is heat a cup of salt in a pan on the stove or in the microwave. Put the warmed salt in a cloth and tie one end in a knot or with a rubber band. When the salt is bearably hot, have your child lie down, and place the towel on the infected ear for up to 10 minutes. Continue to do this multiple times a day. The heated salt cloth helps drain the fluid from the ears, easing the painful swelling. 4. Home remedies for parents. Asafoetida for gas. Babies are known to suffer from gas pains. Cut toddlers can be afflicted too. Gas can be caused by many things, including not chewing food thoroughly, swallowing too much air while eating, lactose intolerance, and some antibiotics. Asafoetida, which comes from the taproot of a perennial herb, has antispasmodic and anti-flatulent properties. Simply mix a tablespoon of warm water with a pinch of asafoetida powder and rub the mixture on your baby's navel, repeating as needed. 5. Honey for a sore throat. A warm glass of water and a spoonful of honey should help a sore throat. In fact, this concoction has been used for decades because honey has powerful antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. In other words, honey helps fight bacteria and viruses that cause the common cold. Do not give honey to children under 1, because they are at risk for developing botulism. If they are over 1 but around that age, consult with a doctor before using this treatment. 6. Garlic for sinus infection. Inhaling steam contributes to opening your air passages. If your child is dealing with a respiratory issue, you can steep garlic in a soup for your little one. The inhaled steam has antiseptic properties and may also reduce a fever. 7. Duct tape for wart removal. You probably won't find duct tape in the kitchen, but this household necessity can fix anything, including warts. The suffocation of the wart itself underneath the bandage is what does the trick. After you cover it with duct tape, the body's immune system grows irritated from the occlusion and starts to break down the wart on its own. However, if your child is very young, this may not be the right choice for their sensitive skin. 8. Oatmeal for itchy skin. If your child has the chicken pox or some other scratchy skin condition, you should pour a cup of oatmeal into a bath. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory abilities that soothe itching. This at-home remedy is ideal for babies with sensitive skin. 9. Yogurt for bad breath. Medically known as halitosis, bad breath can be caused by various things, from what you ate for dinner to not brushing or flossing often enough. If your child seems to have morning breath all day long, you should try yogurt. Rich in probiotics, yogurt soothes an irritated digestive system and neutralizes acids that move between the stomach and mouth. 10. Olive oil or coconut oil for Cradle Cap. Both of these oils are moisturizers, so it's only natural to use them as an at-home remedy for a flaky scalp. Although newborns usually have a yellowish skin rash on their heads, the ailment can continue into toddlerhood. All you have to do is rub some of the oil onto your baby's head and gently comb or brush off the cradle cap. 11. Sugar for hiccups. We all know a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down, and kids certainly love that. However, did you know sugar can get rid of annoying hiccups almost instantly? It's true. The sugar relaxes the muscles, so they're not contracting as rapidly. 12. Turmeric for a runny nose. Children seem to get a cold as soon as school starts, ends, or the season changes. You can lessen their nasal discharge with a little golden spice known as turmeric. This ancient Indian remedy works perfectly when added to a cup of warm milk or water. If your kids aren't very good at blowing their noses yet, get rid of mucus with this at-home remedy. 13. Lemon for motion sickness. Did you know that excessive saliva leads to nausea? When you suck on a hard piece of candy, peppermint, or lemon, you can reduce the production of spit. Lemons also dry your mouth, which naturally soothes an upset stomach. If you are planning a long drive with the kids, make sure you pack some lemons to relieve sick children from that queasy feeling. 14. Mouthwash for blisters. You know mouthwash is great for fighting cavities and freshening breath, but did you know it can work wonders outside of the mouth too? If your child has a painful blister, you can use mouthwash for its antiseptic abilities. All you have to do is put some mouthwash on a cotton ball and apply it to the blister. Do this twice a day. Not only does it dry out the blister, but it also speeds up the healing process. 15. Raisins for constipation. Occasional constipation is common in children and perhaps even more prevalent in babies and toddlers. If you want an at-home natural remedy for healing constipation, try raisins. Soak a dozen in water until they're soft enough to mash or blend into juice. Make sure you strain the mash before you give it to your little one. Not only does this home remedy for parents relieve constipation, but it's healthy and safe for babies as young as 6 months old and started on semi-solid foods. Do try these remedies and then share your experience. Please like and subscribe this channel if you find this video helpful. Also press bell icon to get new updates. Thanks.